Everybody loves to take that infamous selfie. We all have them on our phones, social media pages. Today, the first project I'm going to show you how to make, DIY selfie sticks. Something that you can do for a baby shower, a birthday party, a wedding. If you have a teenager and they just want a fun project to do. Well, it's so easy to add that little selfie stick for an extra touch to jazz up your pictures. You can make the selfie sticks with a few items you can find around your home. If you have an old cardboard box, get a box cutter or some scissors and cut off those sides of the box. And once you remove the sides of the box, take wrapping paper and you literally, almost like wrapping a gift, you can wrap those pieces of cardboard, just literally wrap it like you wrap a present, and then flip it right back over and secure those letters to the front. You have a lot of options for letters. Grab that Sharpie or that pen and just handwrite the messages. If you want to use chipboard letters, you can do that. Stickers are an option. But if you're not using stickers, what you'll probably want to do is get a glue. You can use a super glue if you'd like. You can use a hot glue gun. Once your letters have dried, you can use your glue of choice and secure those sticks to the back side. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.